I purchased these for my husband. They work great, sharp and virtually painless. I will definitely be buying them again. These lancets are great, and so is the adjustable lancet device that uses these lancets. Will order again. Twist, load and done, easy and relatively painless. Thank you. I like these lancets. They work very well with my True Draw lancing device, and the price on Amazon makes them a good value. The 30 gauge is the most comfortable lancet needle gauge in my experience. Does the job. These work just as good as the more expensive ones. I use them with a Walgreens glucose meter. My husband is a user and he said they work just fine, and he is very pleased with lancets. Works with my current unit perfectly. Great price. Fast shipping. Great price and work great. Well, buy again. I learned about lancets while in school and use them on myself, my husband, and our children. However, these lancets are by far the best I have tried over the last 5 years, and the pricing is great. Click link in description for more reviews.